Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how can you add a caption on your BeReal app. So for that, you need to have an account in BeReal app, and if you already have an account, just go to the BeReal app. Now into the BeReal app, here you can see under your post, add a caption option. Click on it. Now you can just add any caption you want, or you can just go back and select the picture that you want to add a caption, and here you can see under the picture add a caption option. You can just click it and add a caption anything you want. After adding a caption, click on the blue icon here beside the caption, and here you can see the caption is now added. So guys, that's how you can add a caption on BeReal app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.